Hi, I'm Scott Spence with Cognex. I'm a sensor sales manager, and I'm here at PACK EXPO. We're at booth LS6163, and right here you're looking at our Dataman 374 with integrated torchlight. The 374 is a differentiator in the industry because it utilizes a high-speed liquid lens with a distance sensor built in. The distance sensor is able to give distance feedback, feed that directly to the high-speed liquid lens, and focus on the fly. So you can see it's up close next to the reader. As it goes down, we're able to read the code, which is displayed on the screen over here. And we can adjust the focus, like I said, on the fly, read it far away, read it near as well. It also adjusts the lighting, the exposure, and the gain, and allows you to read all the codes with one setup. We look forward to seeing you here.